Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are here to help you invest in a better future. So we'll be telling you about best companies to invest right now. February 1st, 2021. The budget of India will be announced by our finance minister Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman. From past 1 week we have seen a drop in the market due to the budget. Sensex and Nifty points dropped steadily right after Sensex touched 50,000 points for the first time ever. Usually, whenever the budget is announced, few sectors are affected very badly, which results in panic selling, which causes the price of the stocks to go down. This is the right time to hold or buy stocks when the prices are low, which might increase rapidly in the near future. We came up with few stocks which might give you huge profits if you buy them right now. The first company to invest is Tata Motors. Tata Motors Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company headquartered in Mumbai. It is a part of Tata Group, an Indian conglomerate. Its products include passenger cars, trucks, vans, coaches, buses, sports cars, and construction equipment, and also military vehicles. Tata Motors is ready to launch its electrical car for the first time in India, which can be a game changer in electric vehicles sector. Recently, Tesla launched with very hype in India, but since it is very costly, a common man cannot afford it, whereas Tata Motors is affordable and made in India. This will also help our Make in India campaign. Its present stock price is 262.7 rupees. Second company we can look forward to invest is ITC Limited. ITC Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Kolkata. Established in 1910 as the Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited, the company was renamed as India Tobacco Company Limited in 1970 and later to ITC Limited in 1974. ITC has a monopoly in its industry. It mainly sells cigarettes and it has no debt. It has been highly profitable over the years. It has 77% of the total market share, which is huge and it might grow in the future. Its present stock price is 203.25 rupees. The third company which we can trust investing is Airtel. Bharti Airtel Limited, also known as Airtel, is an Indian multinational telecommunications services company headquartered in New Delhi. It operates in 18 other countries across South Asia and Africa, also in the Channel Islands. Airtel is fighting head-to-head with its rival Jio to become the best telecom operator in India. Airtel is gaining users much more and rapidly these days, whereas Jio and Vi are losing its customers. Airtel is the first company to launch 5G in India, about which we've covered a different video. The link is given below in the description. This launch of 5G gives it a better position than other telecom companies in India. Its present stock price is 552.25 rupees. The next company we can invest in is IRCTC and IRFC. IRCTC is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporations is an Indian public sector undertaking that provides ticketing, catering and tourism services to the Indian Railways. And IRFC is Indian Railways Finance Corporation is a finance arm of the Indian Railways. It raises financial resources for expansion and running through capital markets and borrowings. As we all know that IRFC is a lot on the news these days because of its IPO. If you did not get allotted there, then don't worry, you can still buy it, even it is cheaper than the price it was listed on the share market. IRFC and IRCTC are interrelated. The funds which are required by the IRCTC has to be sanctioned by IRFC. So if you buy both, it would be more profitable and they both are monopolies in their respective sectors. The current stock price of IRFC is 24.8 rupees and current stock price of IRCTC is rupees 1,450. The next company which we can confidently invest is L&T. Larsen & Toubro Limited, commonly known as L&T, is an Indian technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial services conglomerate headquartered in Mumbai. It was founded by two Danish engineers taking refuge in India. As of now, L&T is the most profitable Indian construction company. It is the first choice for all the major government projects which are highly prestigious and well funded. So bagging L&T might not be a bad idea as the government of India already has a lot of commitments with the company. Its present stock price is 1,338 rupees. Investing in the share market seems risky, but if you do it right, it can do wonders to your investments. These are few of our picks. Let us know what you guys think about these companies in the comment section given below. And also tell what are your picks. which might help others to choose.